shoot the hook bug. That's probably somebody's pet.
Bit outside.
Every time I complain about the G3, the town council always tells me the same thing. Sorry, Kento, there's no laws on this asteroid. We cannot make any rules. If you live here, you have to be okay with, no laws. Hello!
I hope you've been baptized, because you're about to go straight down.
If we don't, you might die.
Fuck the Discovery Channel.
Never should have joined up with the bad guys. Oof, more drunk recruits. Oh yeah, here's the loot.
Fucking shit.
So I think we can talk about I know what the afterlife.
All right, looks like things have quieted down a little bit, you know, thanks to us, you know. What a team we are. Anyways, let's poke our way into Dregtown now. Let's go to Dregtown. I'll be honest, I really want you to use my glob shot. be all of them. What do you think? All right, either way, let's just head to Dregtown. Ooh, you heading down to Dregtown? It's way cooler than Old Town. Old Town's a boring dust bucket, I'll tell you that
Very much needed.
I hate it. Well, ain't you in a rush by?
Hey, have fun in Dregtown. Be careful, a lot of G3 guys down there, and they're a bit trigger happy.
Are you going to join the G3? You look tough. I bet they'd love to have someone like you.
The G3 really spruced up Dregtown. You can get anything you want down there. Drugs? Sure. Sex? Yep. Those are the only two things I could think of. Oh wait, laptops. Oh, you know I was talking, right?
Are you looking for glory? Then join the G3 cartel. My name's Douglas, the G3 chief of training and torture. Ignore that second bit for this ad. This was just about the training.
Well, goddamn, there's Douglas right there. That's how you know we're in the right spot.
Douglas again. This ad is about the torture. The last one was about joining the G3, but this one is about how I love torturing. It's not an ad for anything. It's just like a reminder that part of my job is also torturing people. Enemies of the G3, random...
Part of the Mothers Against Violence Treaty, so no violence allowed here. Take care.
Mothers Against Violence. Oof, well, that falls in our favor, huh? We're not gonna have to worry about any trouble in this area.
Also, all our children are...
Wow, so this is what a G3 run city looks like.
Anyway, the G3, but I'm gonna miss my wife and 6 kids.
Oh yeah, I had mine killed before I left, so I wouldn't feel bad.
Wow, that's so smart. I'll do that too. I'm gonna kill my wife and kids so I don't miss them. So, like I was saying, my brother told me Douglas is really into torture.
Like sexually.
Doesn't matter.
Look like there's another batch and like they must run through these guys like I run through a sleeve of Oreos.
Oh yeah, I've killed a few myself, to be honest.
I can't say I blame you. Bunch of no good Gorzos. Tony!
Stone is part of the Mothers Against Violence Treaty, so no violence allowed here. Take care.
Oh, I hope we don't have to meet Douglas.
Jeez, that guy scares the shit out of me. He was trying to flip.
Honestly, Gary's a racist.
Oh yeah, Gary needs to be flayed alive for sure.
Don't all kill each other all the time. We don't have anything against anyone who loves
Don't
violence,
touch me.
But it's just not our bag, you know? Also,
Excuse me.
children are in their 30s at
Watch it,
least, so
why
this
don't
is about
you?
them. We don't really care if
You
they
were all at the
die.
party last night, right? Douglas was fucked up.
Have fun
Oh,
out
yeah,
there,
that
kids.
guy-
Damn, can you believe they built all this on the bottom of an asteroid? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's a good place to hide out. I mean, but yeah.
Dear my child, I'm from a sweet little organization called Mothers for Violence. I know about a sector under our jurisdiction. That's right. There's Mothers Against Violence. And then there's
Whoa, look at that! Look at that! They got they're fucking dealing with some Greebles over there. Dumb fucks.
Mothers for mothers. I support all the mothers. I don't stand for whatever they ask.
Okay, shit, I guess let's just kill them all. Wow, a real G3 training facility. Maybe Douglas does the training in person.
Hey there. Thanks for coming over here. I'm the goop guy around these parts. You wanna sneak into G3 facilities? You gotta get covered in goop. That's just how it goes. My stuff's quality, so you want some goop, right?
You know what? Yes. How about a big fat yes? Let's go.
Perfect. Head down the alley there. Just let the magic happen, I guess. Don't worry. First goop's on me. Just tell all your buddies about it. I'm the goop guy. I do goop stuff.
Oof! Oh my god! Oh gee! Oh my god! Not what I was thinking. Oh! This fucking! Oh my god! The smell! Oh my god! I'm gonna fucking throw up. Okay. I'm all right. Okay.
Hey, look at you. You're all gooped up. I gotta be honest. It won't last long. It's not the real stuff. So you better be quick. Get in, get out. Don't stay in there too long. Don't lollygag, cause.
Okay, Douglas again. This ad is about the torture. The last one was about joining the G3, but this one is about how I love torturing.
Oh, looky here. We got another gooped up G3 recruit. Be advised that the G3 cartel is not responsible for any life-threatening injuries you may incur on these premises. But even if we were, we wouldn't give a shit. Who cares? I hope you get shot. Good luck.
Thanks. Are you fucking kidding me? They have some whole thing prepared?
Shut the fuck up, it's starting. Come on, get out of the way. I'm trying to watch too.
Welcome. I'm sure you already know who I am, but for anyone living under a rock, I'm Douglas, G3 Chief of Training and Torture. And wouldn't you know it, I like to blur those lines a little. Training, torture, what's the difference, I say? Look to your left, now look to your right. Both of those people are gonna die today. You are about to jump right into an accurate work-based simulation of what it'll look like to be on the real battlefield. And let me tell you, you're probably gonna die. But hey, if you don't, you get to join the G3. Big whoop. All right, that's it. Lock and load, fuckers.
Oh my god, is that?
All right, shut
you
it
saw
off.
that, right?
I got
That
torturing
was a
to do.
Gatlian. Douglas has a Gatlian. We gotta rescue her. Jesus, these fucking Mercaloids. Oh, fuck, here we go. I hope it's not too difficult. Okay, well, shit, we killed all the other recruits. Does that mean we win? Fucking kidding me? More? That's the last of them, right?
Oh, okay, you beat all the weak guys. Easy, really easy. Now go do the obstacle course.
Oh, okay. Okay, you know what? It looks like some simple platforming, you know, like what you'd see in like Lucky's Tale on, you know, or you know, that one game that we all know and love, Mario Land or whatever. Really? because that looked like it should have been easy. You know, listen, you're not gonna impress me if you get through this, 'cause it's pretty simple. Okay, let's just get this over with, please. Whew, okay, that fucking jump. God damn, that was a little. We made it. That was a little tough, though.
Congratulations, shitheads. So you made it past the first training exercise. Big deal. That one was easy. We lied and said it was hard to scare you. Oh, it's fun to freak you out, to fuck with your heads. Now get ready for exercise 2. It starts in 1 hour. That's right, you have to wait a full hour. We're testing your resolve. So just stand there patiently and wait. Then this door will open and you can continue.
Okay, there's no way we're waiting a full hour. Seriously, for fuck's sake, don't make us wait a whole hour. Bounty Hunter, please, for fuck's sake, I'm begging you, just find another way out of here.
All right, that was 15 minutes. Good work so far. You're really proving your endurance. Just keep sitting here waiting. That's the only thing you can do here. No other options. Wow, 30 minutes. Pretty good. You're really in this for the long haul, yeah? Well, it doesn't impress me. This isn't hard to do. It's just waiting. Anyone can wait. "45 minutes, you're almost done. I'd give you some words of encouragement, but I really just don't care. At all. Doesn't matter to me if you make it or not. You're not important to me." Okay, good work. You waited an hour. Whoop-de-doo. Congratulations on having resolve. We are so proud of you for being able to wait and do nothing for an hour. Just sit on your ass for 60 minutes? What an achievement. Kudos to you. Hope you felt like that was worth your time. Hope you and your ass got some enjoyment out of that. Anyway, here we go. Door opening now. Hello again. If you're seeing this video, it means the door got stuck. So we're sending a guy to fix it. He'll be there in a week or whatever, when he's available. Just sit tight. There's enough air in there, I promise. But there isn't enough food, so enjoy starving to death. Here's some TV in the meantime.
Oh shit, okay, well, there goes that bootleg goop. I guess that didn't last for very long.
Oh my God, hello! Thank God you're here. My name's Dr. Jupy. Douglas kidnapped my whole family, and I'm trying to sneak in and save them. But I just can't get through these pipes in the next room. Oh my God, I'm freaking out!
Hey, whoa, listen, little guy. We're trying to find Douglas too. You know, maybe we can help each other.
God, I'm so worried I'm gonna throw up. You really helped me? Oh gee, I'm so grateful. Follow me. You gotta connect these pipes for me so I can get through and save my family.
Hey, don't worry. This is a classic textbook puzzle situation. I think me and my bounty hunter partner can figure this one out. Don't even worry.
Oh, how wondrous. I'm forever in your debt. I don't know how I can ever repay you. God, my poor family. My wife, Plymmy. My kids, Swoopy and Froopy. I'm gonna get to see them soon.
Hey, come on. We're not gonna shoot this little guy. He's a cute little guy. Let's not scare him.
You're really gonna do it. I bet you're gonna solve this puzzle in no time. Wow! You did it! You got the door open! Listen, I'll never forget this. You're my personal hero.
Oh, come on. You're too kind. It was easy.
Oh, did you say you're heading to find Douglas too? His office is that big building up on top of Dregtown. There's a zip line just past here that'll take you right to him.
Huh. Well, all right then. I hope the guy gets his family back. Done. We finished this shit. We are out. Fuck. Okay. What is this?
Congratulations to all of you worms who made it this far in your training. It is now time for the final test. A bloody free-for-all. Last one standing gets to join the G3. No rules, just killing. Yeah, good job. Congratulations, recruit. Now, I don't know, fight some more guys.
G3 recruit. We could be in the G3 if we wanted to be. Woo! We could be if we wanted to.
Congratulations, graduates, on joining the G3 or whatever. I really can't stress enough how little I give a shit. Now report to your commanding officer and we'll send you off to die fighting for us on whatever dumbass planet we decide. See ya.
Oh, it's you! Oh, you again! Am I glad to see you? I'm so happy we keep running into each other.
Oh, look who it's our old buddy. It's our old friend, Dr. Jupy. What are you talking about? How's it going?
There's another locked door. I'm running out of time. God, I'm so worried about my kids. And a little bit about my wife, but mostly me.
Okay, well, we'll see what we can do.
Oh, my poor kids. I hope Douglas doesn't kill them. I can feel my wife Plymouth calling for me. You're gonna solve this one, too. Thank you. Oh, Plymmy and the kids are probably so scared without me. I hope Douglas isn't torturing them right now. Amazing! Amazing! You did it again! Douglas's office isn't too far from here. I'm going on ahead. I'll see you there!
Jesus Christ, Douglas is gonna kill Dr. Jupy. Look how weak and cute Dr. Jupy is. Forget about it.
Urgent announcement. This sector has temporarily been designated as a Mother's For and Against Violence Zone.
That means there's probably just going to be a lot of violence. An intruder has infiltrated the G3 recruitment program, and there will be lots of violence here until we find and kill them.
And remember...
Huh, I guess they're talking about us. You know what? That looks like Douglas's office, but we can't get in that way. Maybe we can go around back. Oh shit, here we go!
Where'd you go?
I could do this all day. Let's do this all day. activated.
I bet you like to play euchre.
I hope this is the last of them.
Here now. It's not fair. Oh, you're gonna die of violence.
I know we're not doing this just for fun, but it is. It's fun. It is.
I hope you've been baptized, because you're about to go straight to...
Let's get ready for supper, dude.
The G3 payroll must be fucking a million miles long. I mean, Jesus.
The G3 will hunt you down.
Yeah, fuck drones.
Oh, you got my number, but I'm killing you.
Fucking fuck. You know what? That's what they get for joining the G3. You know, I guess I don't know. It's I'm conflicted on it. It's rough. Dr. Joopy, you're still alive!
Oh, my best friends. This is it. Douglas is right beyond this door. Can you help me out one last time?
Yeah, let's do this!
Oh, huzzah! Plimmy, Froopy, Sloopy, here I come!
Hey, calm down. We don't need to shoot everybody.
Here we go. Oh, you're so good at these. I wish I was as good at these as you. You're really good. Did you go to puzzle school? Oh boy, this is a hard one. Oh, please hurry up, my family could be dying! I'm really trying not to think about my wife's body being ripped in half by one of Douglas's torture devices. And it's not working, to be honest! I decided that if my family is dead, I'm going to kill myself and join you in the afterlife. Don't talk me out of it. This is what love does to a person. Don't feel bad if it takes you a while. Yahoo! You're halfway there. Keep going. You can do it. Okay, I know that earlier I said, don't feel bad if this puzzle takes you a while, but I also want you to remember, every second you take solving this is another second Douglas might be torturing and killing my family!
You're a good team. Oh, fuck off!
I was never Dr. Joopy. There is no Dr. Joopy. Are you shocked, you idiot? You complete fucking moron! Oh, of course you are. And to think you never once suspected your
Hilbert's little friend, Dr. Joopy, was actually hiding his true identity.
Ha! It's not even like you that get killed by smart geniuses like me!
You know what? Who gives a shit? This is perfect. We're gonna kill you either way. Fucking die, bitch!
Giant! Wait, what? Ha! You moron still have it backwards! I'll be the one killing you! Let's see how you deal with my trained recruits, who are also my torture victims!
More G3! You should have stayed Dr. Joopy. We loved him. You should have quit being Douglas and lived the rest of your life as that guy.
Hey, fuck off, man!
I don't want to be pushy or anything, but maybe try my glove shot every now and again, you know?
You're dizzy! Ha! There never was any Flammy or Jeffy or whatever they made us. What the fuck? Right, go!
I can't believe you Hans Grubered us, you sick fuck. We trusted Dr. Joopy.
Attack the bounty hunter!
More cartel headed this way.
Oh, hell. I got wasted at the party and woke up You could have killed me so easy when I wasn't wearing my suit, but instead you helped me back into it. Idiot! Wrong with the G3!
Careful, he can shoot through walls with that charge shot.
Guess what? I got a Gatling too! Speed City!
This can all stop if we just give up and go back to being Dr. Joopy forever. We've never killed Dr. Joopy.
Bring it, Bartman!
All right, fine. They can send as many as they want. Who cares?
Yeah, that's definitely the stuff. Oh, now that felt good. He had some very nice choppable flesh, actually. It was actually very nice.
Oh, ha! All right, dipshit, let's go.
What? No hello? Nice to meet you, or thank you for saving me?
Why? Like you not dying there was some sort of favor to me? Hi, I'm Sweetie. Thanks so much for rescuing me.
How's that, dipshit? Now come on.
Use my time bubble to escape through the big fan in the corner. Pretty cool.